Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel CodeWithAbby. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful SQL features called as the case statement. Ever needed to apply conditional logic inside a SQL query? The case statement lets you categorize, transform, and manipulate data dynamically, all within a SQL query. It's like an if-else for SQL. In this video, we will cover what is the case statement, why should you use it, types of case statements in SQL, real-world practical examples, and at the end, the top 5 interview questions and their answers you must know. Stick around till the end. You will walk away with a solid understanding of case statement and how to use it like a pro. If you love learning SQL, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode in our Mastering SQL Queries and T-SQL series. Alright, let's jump in. I am in SQL Server Management Studio and let's go and create one table for today's demo. The table is employee table. We are calling it as tblEmployees. This table has got 4 fields: employee ID, which has a primary key, and this also has got a constraint. This constraint is an identity constraint, and we already know about this that the value 1 and 1 given, that means the employee ID will start from 1 and it will get increased by 1 and it will keep on going like that. Employee name is the second field, which has worker 100 size. MP department is a third field, which has worker 20. This has also got a check constraint. The check constraint signifies here that the department name can only fall within these all 5 names. You cannot have any other department name and you cannot insert into this table. It will refuse to insert. The 5 departments are IT, HR, admin, finance, and sales. And the 4th field is employee salary, which is of float type. Let's go and select this script and create the table. Table has been created with this says that commands completed successfully. Let's go and try to insert couple of details into this table. So I have written one insert statement which has many values and data to be inserted. You please note here that I'm only supplying employee name, their department, and salary. I am not supplying any employee ID because the employee ID is of type identity constraint, so it will automatically be taken. So let's go and select this insert statement and hit that button execute. And once we hit the execute button, this gets inserted from tblEmployees, and here are the details. We can see there are 12 records in this table: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are the employee IDs of this. Okay, let's go and see one scenario. So the scenario is that we need to retrieve data from employees table, which we have just created, and we have to show the department as technical, human resource, administration, and accounts, and others. So we have seen that we had a couple of departments. We had IT department, we had HR department, we had admin department, and we have finance department. We have sales department as well. So we have to write the query, which will, let's say if it is IT, it should tell us that it is a technical job. So department group should be shown as technical. So how will the output look like? Let's see. So see, this is Rajkumar Verma. He belongs to sales department, so it is shown as others. But Sumit Thakur belongs to admin department, so it shows as administration. Dino Jason belongs to IT department, so for Dino Jason it shows as technical. Kunal Seth belongs to IT department, so for Kunal Seth it shows technical. And for HR it shows human resources, and likewise for finance it shows accounts. So this is a problem statement. This is what we need to achieve. We are going to achieve this using case statement in SQL. So let's go and see this in action. So I'm back in SQL Server Management Studio, and here I'm going to write a case statement for the same. So you see, this is a normal select query. Select employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and department. It's pretty common and pretty easy and pretty general query. But here I'm going to introduce something called case. So the part which I have highlighted is a case part. In this part, what we are going to do is, and how do we write that case is, so we know that we have categorized the staffs. If it is IT, it should as technical. If it is HR, it should show as human resource. If it is admin, then it should show as administration. If it is finance, then it should show as accounts. And if it is none of these, then others, right? And the field name should be as a department. So how to write case? You have to write the case, CASE, and then the field name. And then there are conditions, when, and this is the value. Then what you want to do. If it is IT, when IT, then it should be technical. So it's very simple. Case, the field name which you want to interpret. When the value is this, then it should be treated as this. When the value is this, then it should be treated as this. When the value is this, it should be treated as this. And the value is this, and if the value is none of these, then it should be treated as this. Let's go and select these all query and execute this. So I've selected and executing this. You see that this gets executed. And at the end, department name, which I specified here, department name is visible. If it is sales, then others. If it is admin, then administrator. If it is technical, then if it is IT, then technical. HR, then human resources. Isn't it easy to write this case statement? Let's go and deeper into this. So let's define case statement. The case statement in SQL Server is a conditional expression. So we have already seen this is conditional expression that evaluates the conditions and return a value based on the first condition met. So we wrote the condition like when IT, then information, then technical, right? So when IT, then technical. So it was evaluating the condition and then it was doing that. It works pretty much similar to like if else in any programming language. This is the way that we write. We have to write everything like that. And then first thing is to write the case, CASE. And this is the first condition, second condition, third condition, fourth condition. Likewise, you keep on going. And at the end, you have to write end. So the case and end. So case has to be started with case and ended with end. And within this, there are so many things. And this else is the else of others. If the value falls none of these, then this one. Let's go and try to explore the types of case that we can write. We can write two types of cases. Number one is the simple case. Simple case that we have already seen, where we are sending, we are comparing one field values with all, we are getting a field value, and then based on that we are writing lots of condition. And then we have called something called searched case. This is a Boolean condition expression. So this is a difference. You can see case when EMP salary is less than. So here I am not supplying any field name. You can see the field name was being supplied here. So this versus this, in searched case, we don't supply the field name here. Instead, the field name is written in the condition only. If that is when the EMP salary is less than 60,000, then average earning member. When EMP salary is between 6,001 to 8,000, then good earning member. If EMP salary is greater than 80,000, then handsome earning member. And at this, we are writing earning category. So we are going to introduce a field called earning category. And to this earning category, we are going to display either average earning member, good earning member, or handsome earning member. Let's also explore what are the other places where we can write case statement. We can write case statement in order by as well. So you see that this is the order by that we have written. So we are ordering by on these. So we have, these are the ranks that we have given, 3, 2, 1. So if the salary is less than 60,000, so it will be third rank. If it is salary, so it will be ordered in third stage, right? The second stage and first stage. So we can write case statement in order by as well. We can also write case statement in update, wherein I am updating employee salary. So let's say that there is an instance wherein there is a condition, or there is a situation where we want to provide the bonus or the salary hike of all employees. If it is IT department, then the salary hike will be 15%. So if it is HR department, then the salary hike will be 12%. If it is finance department, then the salary hike would be 10%. If it is, so let's go and see these things in action. So this is the first example wherein you are going to use searched case. In this, we are not supplying the field name here. but the field name is here. So you go and let's see if it is. So you see this is everything. So this is 80,000 and good earning member, 70,000 good earning member, 1,80,000 is earning handsome earning member, and 90,000 is handsome earning member, and if it is 56,000 then average earning member. So this is what we could write the query like. So this way we can write search the case. Let's go and see this in order by. So let's say we have written in the same way: employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and employee department from employee table. Order by, then we are writing a case. If employee salary is less than 60,000, then it is 3. The order by 3. If employee salary is between 6,001 to 80,000, then order by 2, and likewise. Let's see the difference in the output. So we have seen the two outputs here. The first is normal output, and the second is the order by output. So you see this, the highest salary ones have been ordered at the top. Let's go and see the case in update statement. We can see the case in update statement as well. Question is, if the department is ID, then the salary hike should be 15%. So whatever salary is there, add another 15% to the salary. If department is HR, then the salary will be hiked by 12% of the salary. So salary plus 12% of the salary. If department is finance, then salary plus 10% of the salary. If department is admin, then the 11% salary plus 11% of salary. If any other, then the salary plus 5% of salary. So you see here, let's go combined, try to display these details. So you see this is the details. So department is sales, so sales will have some 5% of salary hike. You can see here. Department is admin, Sumit Thakur, 70,000 was there, 70,000. 77,700 is that hike that he got, 10% hike. IT guys has got much more hike, so this was the earlier salary, and this is the now salary that we have increased. Use case statement in update statement as well. Now let's go and explore the 5 interview question. The first question is, what is the difference between simple case and search case? So we have seen that in simple case it evaluates the expression, but in search case it evaluates the condition. So we have already shown the example. Can we use case in where clause? So we can use case in where clause. You see there. So select all from employee table where case when department is IT, then 1 and else 0. So what we are trying to do is this particular when section will return either 0 or 1, and we are comparing with 1. So if it is both matching, then the value will be displayed, otherwise the IT department value will not be displayed. So I am here and trying to show you with the where clause. So let's select this and try to find. It shows me all the IT department guy details here. Okay, so likewise we can change it to HR, and we can check the all HR department guys here. Third question is, how does case work in null values? So basically, if you have null values as a data in your table, so it is not handled explicitly. So basically you have to handle it. If it is null condition, then you have to handle it. So for example, if you are writing case when, then for null you have to write the value. Can case be nested within another case? Yes, depending upon the situation, we can nest it within another case. So you see this example, if employee salary is greater than 70,000, then high salary. If employee salary is between 50,000 to 20,000, then we have to say that this case we can write another when case, and then when if it is department is the mid-level IT, and if it is HR then mid-level HR, and otherwise it is mid-level others. And this way this case started here and this case ended here, and this is the else of this particular case, and this case gets ended here. So this way we can do a kind of nesting of cases. The last question in the series is, what is the performance effect of using case in SQL queries? So case can be slowed. Case can slow down the queries if you use infiltration and you have large data set. So we have to use it religiously and wherever it is required. So we have covered today the case statement. What case statement is, where can we use the case statement, what is the practical uses of case statement, and we ended the video with the 5 top interview question and their answer on the case statement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more high quality technical content, drop your question in the comment, and I will be happy to answer them. See you in the next one. Bye bye.